Maybe it was boredom, maybe it was nostalgia, maybe it was a little bit of both. But I recently decided to dig out my old Rubik's Cube. Growing up before the internet, access to tutorial videos was just not available, so it was one of those things that as a kid I was never able to figure out. This is a 25th anniversary edition that I got as a Christmas gift in 2005. As you can see, the stickers have faded or fallen apart to the point where the cube is almost not even usable. Instead of purchasing a new one, I started searching for replacement stickers. Wanting to be a team player, I started with the official website, Rubiks.com, where I found stickers for $4.99. Not bad, until you notice the shipping costs of $6.99. This would bring the cost to higher than purchasing a new cube. I wrote to the company to ask for a promo code to reduce the shipping cost to something more reasonable. After all, it was just stickers. They never emailed me back, so I checked Amazon, where they were $4.98 with free shipping. Much better. I moved on to eBay, where I found them for $1.99 for 2 sets with free shipping. Link is in the description. The only problem was that since they were being shipped out of China, the projected delivery date was between January 28th to March 10th. Quite the window. Being a sucker for a good deal, I decided to roll the dice. They actually arrived early. It took less than 3 weeks. Let's get into the process. First, you're going to need some cotton swabs, possibly a razor blade, but as you'll see, I really didn't even use it. Nail polish remover, preferably, but I didn't have any of that, so I just used some rubbing alcohol to help get the glue off. Okay, fast forward. We are all done, and I think it turned out great. I would say that this was definitely worth it. For about $2 I got this done and have an extra set of stickers for when I wear these out. If you like the content, leave a like and subscribe. Until next time.